Hey there, welcome to our channel, Tech by A Square. Today, we're going to talk about some important cybersecurity tips that can help keep your personal data safe online. And I bet you don't know tip number 5 and number 6, so stay tuned. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for more tech tips and tricks. Tip number 1 is to use strong and unique passwords for each of your accounts. Avoid using easily guessable passwords, like your birth date or your pet's name, and never reuse the same password for multiple accounts. Tip number 2 is to be cautious when opening emails or clicking on links from unknown sources. Hackers often use email phishing and social engineering tactics to trick you into giving away your personal information or installing malware on your device. Tip number 3 is to keep your software and operating systems up to date. Regular software updates often include important security patches that can help protect your device against cyber threats. Tip number 4 is to use two-factor authentication whenever possible. This adds an extra layer of security to your accounts by requiring a second form of identification, such as a code sent to your phone, in addition to your password. Tip number 5 is to be cautious when downloading apps or software from unknown sources. Only download apps from trusted sources, and be sure to read the reviews and permissions carefully before installing anything on your device. Keep in mind that some apps may try to access your camera, microphone, or other personal data without your permission. Tip number 6 is to be careful when using third-party keyboard apps on your mobile device. Some keyboard apps may store everything you type, including sensitive information like your passwords and credit card details. Tip number 7 is to cover your laptop or mobile device camera when not in use. Hackers can potentially access your camera and spy on you, especially if you have installed unknown or malicious software. And last tip of today, tip number 8 is to use a VPN when accessing the internet on public Wi-Fi networks, or when browsing sensitive information online. A VPN encrypts your internet traffic and helps protect your privacy. So there you have it, some important cybersecurity tips to keep your personal data safe online. Which of these tips are new to you? Let us know in the comments below. And if you are looking for more cybersecurity tips, then watch this video. Goodbye.